Hi, today I want to talk to you about what do you do if your air conditioner is spitting water. Here's my battery pack over here, and our air conditioner is clear over here. Now this thing spit water on everyone that's standing here. It spit water like 6 feet away. Now how I fixed this issue was I just took a small piece of window screen that I have, and you can see all the water in there, I hope. It's just window screen. I cut a little bit of window screen down, taped it on there, and so far no one has gotten wet with the air conditioner being on. That's how you take care of it if your air conditioner is spitting water, is you put a screen on the side, and that way it throws the water against the screen and it still gets plenty of air. That way you're not blocking it off. And once again, I don't know if you see all the water in there. That water in there is needed to cool the air conditioner down. So if you have one of these air conditioners without a drain, that water's supposed to be in there. But if you find it's spitting water out, the one thing you can do to help prevent that is just put a small piece of window screen on it. Alright, that's it. Everyone have a good one. Bye.